Welcome back. Hi. So I put some base paint on. I didn't prep the canvas, I just grabbed one. I'm just gonna add some more in the center. I wasn't planning on spinning anything, so I just put some paper down real quick. And let's just see what we can make, because I don't like wasting my paints, and I've noticed that if I keep them too long, they just don't work as well. So I'd rather just use some of it now. Let's make a little bit of a puddle. Okay. Blue black. Then some Bling it. Copper. Green bluish. Let's do the black first. And the white. Let's blow this out. Let's see what the center does. Might have to give it a little bit more of a puff. Maybe even use the straw. Do I have enough paint on here? Let's see what happens if I give it a tiny baby spin. No, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So let's just do a bloom on top of it. Let's turn it around. Let's blow this out. Probably gonna have to huff and puff in the center again, but let's give it a little bit of time. Okay, let's give it a little puffy puff in the center. So what do we think? Will it spin out nicely? Let's get my gear into safety. It's normally a spin in my big tub. Blooms are really fun to do, but they give so much mess. Okay, let's give it a spin, see what happens. Oopsie. So I guess my base was a little bit too dry. Thought I add a lot of paint, but I guess still not enough. I can hear Karen already tell me, that's not enough paint. I know, I'm sorry. For my little ornaments it was too much, and now it's not enough. Still trying to learn. Should be enough, hopefully. Spin it the other way around. But the sun is going in and out like crazy. My camera just can't keep up adjusting. So I think there's still a lot of paint. But I don't want to spin it too much more because I'm making such a big mess. Okay, let's give it one more little spin. Today shouldn't be a filming day, I'm just making too much of a mess. I think it should be good now. Let's see. Yeah, it's not moving. So that's good. I really like this one. Real funky color, so I don't know how they're gonna dry, but I'll show you. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye everyone!